Hi everyone. I wanted to do a quick little plant haul. I basically got a lot of ferns, which I said I wanted to do in my last balcony tour. This is an autumn fern. It's got really nice orange and green foliage. I had one over there last year and it got huge, and it was very green because it's dark there, so it lost a bit of the color, but it did do very well and looked very pretty and I loved it. I didn't realize that these actually don't go down to a very low zone. If I can turn it a bit here, it's only down to a zone 5, which we basically live in a zone 5/6. So technically you'd want it to be more of a zone 4 or 3 if you're going to plant it in a container, but I'm hoping that it will survive. Last year it died, but maybe because of the zone, maybe because I overwatered it. So let's just protect it and hope for the best. This one is called a Japanese tassel fern. This one I think is the same zone. If you can see, yeah, zone 5, but this one's smaller, so 30 to 60 centimeter height, and I thought this one might be really interesting to put in the corner over there under the shelf because it's a really small, really dark space. Maybe it would work. Fern would probably be the only thing that works under there, so we'll try it. It does have some burnt crispy leaves, but I think maybe that was just because they were in the sun. These were all in a little box under a table at the garden center that I almost missed, but I'm very happy I found them. This one has very interesting leaves, kind of rougher. I don't know if you can see, but it has these little ridges. It almost feels like an evergreen, kind of spiky, waxy leaves, so that one will be interesting to grow. I've got one more fern over here. This one is a classic. It's an ostrich fern. It's native here. It's super tough. It's down to a zone 2. So this should be pretty much bulletproof. This should 100% survive our winter, unless I overwater it again, but I'm not going to do that. This one, I was thinking, I don't know, if the maidenhair fern doesn't work, then we'll put it over there and replace it. I want that whole wall pretty much to be ferns. I have also Brunnera and Solomon seal, which I'm thinking of moving. So putting the Solomon seal there and Brunnera over there, but I'm still contemplating it. But maybe we'll put like the ostrich fern over there. This one, it has these really nice kind of yellowy green softer leaves, and it also gets huge, like really tall compared to that smaller one that we just saw. This one is 90 to 120 centimeters tall, so very big. So it might be good to put in place of the Brunnera and the Solomon seal so that it has more height to it. But the other one, the Japanese one that we just saw, is a lot shorter, so it might be a better fit for under the shelf in the corner. But yeah, we have 3 ferns, and I also got this little begonia, which has a beautiful flower. I think it's very nice. It's looking a lot redder and darker on camera. It's a bit more pink and very light yellow in person, but begonias have just done pretty well for me. Generally it's supposed to be a shade plant, and I thought that would be good in the container right there, because it's getting a lot of sun in the loop and it's not doing that well, and I think this is supposed to do okay in sun and shade, so it might be a nice addition over there because it's looking a bit bare in that container, but I think it'll look really pretty if it does well there, so we'll put it there and see how it does. But yeah, that is the plant haul. I think it's very cute. I'm very happy with it, and I will definitely keep you updated. Bye!